Communities let you build groups where your students can connect, ask questions, and share progress. This adds a social layer, a social value, on top of the content that you're selling. Here, scroll down and click Create a Community. You can fill in the details. I'll provide a group name. You can edit the group URL, add a brief description, and then you can set if this group is discoverable or not. I want this to be private. Down low, you can add some branding elements if you'd like, and then click Create Group. That will open the Client Hub, and if it's the first time you're joining, you'll be prompted to upload a profile picture. Here, you can invite members. You can copy the group link or invite by email. I'll close this and close the community. If I open a new tab and paste that link, this is the sign-up screen that someone will be welcomed with. I'll close this. Down low, we can see our group. We can change the status here and make it inactive at any time if we would like, and we can change the owner.